Everyone knows that when the sun sets, it slips below the horizon in a predictable display of oranges and reds. For centuries, sailors and sky watchers have marveled at sunsets, convinced they hold no secrets. The accepted explanation is simple. The colors come from sunlight scattering through Earth's atmosphere. But there's a rare and mysterious phenomenon that defies this straightforward science: the green flash. On very rare occasions, just as the sun disappears, a sudden emerald spark appears for a fleeting moment. Scientists say it's just atmospheric refraction splitting sunlight into colors. Yet countless eyewitnesses describe flashes so vivid, so intensely green, they seem almost otherworldly. Even stranger, some have reported seeing the flash far from any horizon, or during sunrise, events that mainstream science struggles to explain. What if the green flash isn't merely a trick of light, but a glimpse into another dimension, a secret signal, or something beyond our understanding? Comment your theory. Best comment gets pinned. Follow for tomorrow's story.